Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself struggling with the new Wix Studio and wishing you could get back to the classic Wix editor you know and love, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch from Wix Studio to the Wix Classic Editor step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fresh website built in the Classic Editor, ready for you to customize just like the old days. So let's dive right in and get started. Alright, first things first, make sure you're in your Wix Studio site's dashboard. This is basically your home base where you see all your current sites and projects. Now look for the button that says Create New Site. Go ahead and click that. This action is really important because we're telling Wix that we want to start something new, but not with Studio's tools. We want the classic experience. After you click Create New Site, you'll notice a drop-down menu, and here's the crucial part: select Use Wix Editor. It may seem like a small choice, but it makes all the difference. By choosing Wix Editor here, you're steering away from the Studio version and setting yourself up with all the familiar design options the Classic Editor offers. If you ever feel a little lost in all the options Wix throws at you, don't worry, just look for that specific phrase. Next, Wix asks how you'd like to set up your site. You'll see options for adding extra features like chat. For this tutorial, select Setup without chat. This keeps things streamlined and avoids any unnecessary complexity as we make the switch. Again, don't worry if you change your mind later. Wix makes it super easy to add new features in the dashboard after setup. Now it's time to pick the type of website you want to create on the new Classic Editor platform. Wix gives you a range of choices from business sites to portfolios, stores, blogs. It's all there. Take a moment to select the category that best fits your vision. If you're not sure, think about what your main goal is. Is it selling something, showcasing your work? Just choose the closest match for now. You can always fine-tune details later. After you click Continue, Wix will start preparing your dashboard. This might take a few moments, so just hang tight. Sometimes there's a temptation to start clicking around, but I recommend waiting for things to load properly so you don't miss any options. Soon you'll get a set of prompts and walkthrough screens. Just press Skip. These are usually setup hints and marketing tips, but since we're focusing on switching editors, we can bypass them for now. You always have the freedom to edit or add those details in your dashboard afterwards, so there's nothing to worry about in skipping for now. Once you're at the finished dashboard setup, look for the Design Site button. Go ahead and click it. This is your gateway into site customization. You'll soon be prompted to pick a template. Wix offers a ton of beautiful starting points, so browse through and select one that matches your needs or personal style. After choosing your template, hit Edit. This is when the magic really happens. You'll be transported into the Wix Classic Editor. When your screen loads up, take a look around. You'll see all the familiar tools, drag and drop layouts, and features you remember from Classic Editor. It might have felt like a bit of a process to get here, but you've done it. And now, you can take your time editing, building, and perfecting your site in the environment you prefer. So there you have it. Switching from Wix Studio to the Wix Classic Editor is easy once you know the right path. If this helped you out, please smash that like button. And if you have any questions or got stuck on a step, just drop your comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.